President Muhammad Buhari on Thursday, May 18, 2023 for Abuja give automatic employment for the civil service to 65 former members of the National Youth Service Corps (NYSC) for all the many achievements of the scheme since its start 50 years ago. President Buhari, when he talked this one for the NYSC 50 years anniversary honor award when he held for the State House Conference Center. Out of 65 recipients, 52 individuals received presidential honor award, while the remaining 13 physical challenge ESCOM members recognized under the NYSC Hope Alive program. President Buhari, for his speech, award scholarship to the two groups to further their education to doctorate degree level for any university of their choice within the country, and 250,000 naira for each of the top award winners, and 200,000 naira for other award recipients, including the physical challenge ESCOM members under the NYSC Hope Alive program.
The event is another landmark in the annals of the Service Corps, which for 5 decades has not only been synonymous with national development, but has also become a pivot of national unity and integration. I hasten to state without equivocation that with the quality of youth such as these, the future of this country, which rests upon their shoulders, is guaranteed. I give kudos to my dear, diligent, patriotic, and virile youth. You have done very well, and the nation is very proud of you. I wish to assure that government shall continue to support every worthy venture by the youth, especially through our empowerment initiative, such as the 75 billion naira Nigeria Youth Investments Fund. We shall always work for the promotion of youth-related activities for a better Nigeria.
The Minister of Youth and Sport Development Sondedari appreciate the former corps members when President chose for the presidential honor and thank them for their sacrifice and contribution to the country during their service year. Director General of the National Youth Service Corps (NYSC), Brigadier General Y.D. Ahmed, appreciate the corps member of 2019 batch ABC and thank them for their contribution to the progress of the country.
Not only in rejoicing with you on your selection for this presidential honor, but also in applauding your sacrifice and worthy contributions exemplified in those positive virtues you stood for during the service year. Indeed, your high sense of discipline, selflessness, diligence at work, excellent community service, heighten and brighten our hope in the future of our great country, Nigeria.
All members of the 2019 batches A, B, and C, from which they emerged collectively, made immense contributions to the socio-economic development of our dear country.
Ifunanya Okwezi, TMC TV News.